How to use your phone to create and share digital invitations. You can use Canva app. It is a powerful design tool that allows you to create stunning invitations directly from your phone. You could download this on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. You could choose a template for your invitation because this app offers a wide range of free and paid templates for invitations from birthdays and weddings to corporate events and more. Canva's intuitive editing tools make it easy to personalize your invitation. You can change colors, add text, upload images, add graphics, use filters and effects. Once your invitation is complete, download it as a high resolution image file. It could be JPEG, PNG, or PDF. You could also send your invitation as an attachment in an email. Canva also allows you to create a shareable link to your design, which can then be shared to your guests directly or embed on a website. Canva empowers you to create a beautiful digital invitations from your phone, allowing you to express your creativity and share your special events with style and ease.